Should I open it or should I do his video? Which I already opened it, of course, but let's just put this card at the top and let's see what I got. Oh my god, I got Raytheon. That was so hard to get. Easy. And I got a water energy, and of course I got one. Look at this item. Dang, this thing looks awesome, dude. Look, a holographic again? Wait, they show this dude. And this guy was awesome, really awesome. And look at the picture, it's definitely good. And look at this sandcastle guy. Tornado round, and look what I got. Oh my god, that's so weird. And this normal, this one. And look at this guy I've never caught in my whole life. That's done.